So guys, now we are going to fill this gender option. So it has three options, female, male and custom. You can obviously ask the user to write male or female, but for this example I'm already going to fill the male option. So let's see the ID of male. Okay, so you can see it's in this span tag, and this input is actually the select that particular section where we have to click, right, to click on the male option. So the ID is U, O and 7. That's perfect. But before that, we are going to check if this section is already selected or not. Okay. So we already know about this is selected method. So let's see over there. Yeah, you can see we already know about this is selected method, but we didn't use that thing. I already told you that you should use when you are practicing this thing. So we are going to use this right now. Okay, so select one option. Here I am going to write the gender is equals to driver dot find element by id, and the id is, let's see, copy this id from here, paste it over there. Yeah, and now assume we are going to verifying that thing. So verify gender is equals to gender dot is selected. So we already know that the is selected method returns true or false. If the option is not selected, then it will return false, and if the option is selected, then it will return true. Okay, so if the option is already selected, then we obviously don't want to select that option again, because that will unselect that option, that particular male option, right? So if that option is not selected, then only we are going to select that thing, right? So let's first of all check whether it is selected or not. So let me close this one. Yeah, so you can see this is our that automated browser. So let me just print this verify gender. So let's run this cell. So you can see it is returning false because this male option is not selected, right? So we're going to select on that male option. So I'm just going to instead of writing print, I'm just going to write if verify gender is not equals to true, then we are going to go into this if statement and we are going to select that male tag, right? So I'm just copy this from here, and gender will be equals to this thing dot click, right? Because we are going to click on that male tag. And I guess, yeah, that's it. Now we are going to print this verify gender again. So now it should return true, right? Verify gender. So let's run this cell. Okay, we have to actually write this line again, so that's why it was returning false. So yeah, that's perfect. So we have to close this browser, automated browser. We are going to open this browser again, and yeah, that's it. Now we're going to fill up the first input tag options. Yeah, now we are going to fill the gender option and it should return true, right? Okay, there is an error. Well, again I did a mistake, that is we right click over here. So gender is right now a none type object, so we're going to close this one and write over here gender dot click. Again we are going to close this one, run this cell again, open Facebook, then we're going to fill up this form. Then we're going to select the gender option and it should return true right now. Let me check again. Yeah, perfect. Now you can see it returned true and the male tag is selected. So in the next video we are going to choose our birthday from the drop down menu. Okay.